Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got another super cool Mulberry to show you today, and this is the Mulberry Mitzy Hobo. So it's just got this great kind of slouchy, laid back, relaxed feel to it. It's gorgeous. So I'll show you the features. We've got one top handle, and that is adjustable as well in this kind of dark leather. And then the main bag is in this oak coloured pebbled leather, and it's just got a great kind of used pre-loved feel to it. We've got a Mulberry plaque here, and then we've got magnetic press stud fastening for that opening, and then in there we've got one zipped pocket there, so I'll just zip that up, show you that zip still works really nicely. And then on the other side we've got one flat pocket as well. The condition of this bag we've called fair all around. You can see again that pebbled leather has just got a great kind of creasy feel to it, and you can tell obviously that it has been used, but it has been very well loved. It's kind of darkened on the top there, but it makes it even better. It adds to that kind of laid back and usable feel. Similar situation with the interior, we've called that fair. There's just a few marks on that fabric lining. You can see just on this pocket here, there's a couple of marks here and there. And then the hardware again, called that fair, brass coloured hardware, but you can just see that it's starting to wear. That plaque has got a few scratches and things like that on it, but again it's got a great kind of relaxed and useful feel to it. So don't forget while you're here to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what this Mulberry comes with. So we've just got the Mulberry bag with it, and then it's got Mulberry tissue paper in there as well, so you can see. If I get that right up close to the camera, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's got that Mulberry logo on that tissue paper as well. So if you wanted to know the exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the link to shop this bag. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But don't forget you can get on our request list. Just let us know that you love this bag. We'll get you on our request list and send you through an alert next time we get in something like this. And that applies to any bag that you have in mind as well. Let us know, and then you'll hopefully find something that you love with us. So, as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", so by that top handle, it fits really nice and comfortably under your arm like that. And of course you can hold it just by that top handle as well. And this leather handle is really soft and comfortable to hold. Yeah, it's a gorgeous bag. So for more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below, have a browse through our website while you're there, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also on our website you'll find the how to sell with us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, get onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. That's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.